Welcome back everyone. My name is Jakub and I'm a software engineer working at Google. And in today's video, I'm going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions. How much mathematics is required to be a proficient software engineer? It's a commonly asked question. There is no simple answer, but let me give you my take on it. The first point is being general sui. To be a good generalist, you need to know fundamentals of maths. There is no doubt about it. And when I say fundamentals, it's more than just a square root. It's all the differential integrals and basics of statistics, basics of algebra. You know how to use matrices, you know how to transpose them. And naturally, I don't expect you to know things and you solve them right now on the paper at any time of the day. But you need to be familiar with the problem space. Treat mathematics as a tool to enable you to solve your software engineering problems. The second thing is project-specific knowledge. Imagine joining a team that is extremely heavy on solving algorithmic work in some routing, in maps, or maybe you joined some machine learning or AI team that really requires you to upskill yourself in a particular domain of mathematics. It's never too late to learn those things, so go online or go offline, find some resources and keep working on that. Some of those things you probably have not learned in uni, and it's never too late to learn them now. The third thing is job-specific knowledge, such as if you desire to join a company and work as a software engineer, but a little bit more on the operational side, you probably need to have your statistics really well reviewed. Imagine joining a team as a site reliability engineer or a DevOps. You're gonna work with a lot of metrics, and you probably need to be pretty efficient in calculating the numbers that every computer person should know, such as latencies, memory, etc. I put a link down below to the screen I'm showing to you right now with the most important numbers. They come really handy very often, and especially when it comes to the interview time. I've worked on projects that were not so heavy on maths, but I also worked on projects that really had this core really mathematical, and they really required you to understand what you're doing. Or I was responsible to do dashboards which were crunching a lot of data, and I had to make sure that things I'm presenting make sense. So there was a lot of validation and a lot of double checking, calculating things and making sure that the numbers of percentiles and all those crazy bits and pieces I'm presenting correctly. The main takeaway for you should be that mathematics is extremely handy tool regardless of your engineering expertise. If you are a junior or you're a senior or you're just about to start your career, mathematics is here to help you. So don't be afraid of using it, don't be afraid of learning it. The more you know, the better. It cannot harm you. Thank you for listening and thank you for making me a part of your day. But before we go, I would like to ask a question of the video as usual. Was mathematics something you enjoyed during your education? I'm looking forward to read all your answers down in the comments section. Additionally, I would like to tell you that I'm going to have this cadence of the weekly videos as something permanent every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. Sydney time. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video and stay up to date with the upcoming content. If you find those videos useful, maybe there is a friend of yours that would also enjoy some of this content, so please share it with them. I would really appreciate that. And I believe it's all for today. All the best and see you next week. Bye.